Sandugo Sandals against Philippine Navy. And both sets, first and second, going to Sandugo.
And even, you know, in the second set, nagsimula ng strong itong Philippine Navy. In fact, they were at the lead for some time.
Right.
Until, yun na nga, Sandugo played catch-up in the 11th point. We had naging 11 all, and then, yun na. Sandugo started pulling away.
That's right. You know, that's the problem now of Navy. They have to learn how to sustain the momentum, because they always start out well, start out strong. They have to learn how to sustain it. Crisostomo, Di Maculangan, Boli, Dugwell, Suson, Roses, Di Maculangan, to Boli again, block. Penting. The board, it was there, but they're not able to control it. So Sandugo equalizes the set. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be shaky. Carpio. Suson!
Suson on that open hit. Gets it. Yun yung mga kanina pa hinahanap ni Coach Nene Ibanez. Scattered points coming from all the spikers.
Players.
Yeah.
That's right. And again, they're starting out okay. I mean, talking about Navy. But Roses is at a fiesta.
Dun sa running, kung saan natin siya nakilalang lahat, yung mga volleyball fans.
Obviously, Rhea Di Maculangan has got, now it's actually, no, it is Rhea. Rhea has gotten the set that Roses really is comfortable with.
Dahil yan ang pagkakapareho naman dito kay Kite Rosale. Of course, St. Roses also played for UE, and during her time, para siyang si Kite.
Yes, yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Siya na yung pinaggagalingan ng most of the points for UE.
So talaga parang
Si Kite ang pumalit actually kay
Kay Roses.
sa St. Kay Sue.
Okay, so, kasi, di ba, parang single-handed, di naman single, but, you know, parang they stand out really.
Kasi ang lalaki nila, diba? Tapos we always know UE na hindi masyado malalaki, pero yung floor
During our
defense,
time, right?
nakakainis, diba?
During our
Even
time.
now, that floor defense, that UE floor defense, nakakainit ng ulo sa spiker ng kabila.
Pero feeling mo kahit benta, diba, point, biglang,
Tumataas pa rin yung ball.
Mikasa, we'd like to thank Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Back to the game. Navy ahead 4-3. Rosale.
Justino with that one-handed save, but violation called on Nen. Ano yung pinagkagagawa mo dyan? Sabi ni Referee Rojas.
You know, one thing I really like about Jill Gustino is even when she was with Adamson, she's so fun to watch because she's such a fun player.
Bubbly
Tawa lang ng
person.
tawa. Yan sila ni Benting. They just laugh and laugh with, who's the center player?
Si Jackso. Si Jacqueline So.
Jacqueline So. Yes, isa pa yun. And I'm getting memory gap.
Sino? Serafika.
The center player. She's maputi.
Sige.
I have the face in mind. Sorry.
Babasahin ko yan.
No, anyway, parang that team is so fun to watch kasi tawanan lang sila
Tapos,
ng
si coach
tawanan.
niya, si Mommy Dulce.
Oo.
Isa pa rin naman talaga.
Back to the game. Rosale, Di Maculangan to Taiwan. Block!
And ito yung kailangan i-keep ng Navy, ng Philippine Navy. Kung gusto nilang labanin itong Sandugo, yung net, lagi nila dapat bantay sa net. Even if they don't stop the ball, just deflecting it or slowing down the ball will be so useful to them, diba?
And their goal, you know, should at least to keep frustrating these Sandugo players.
Well, in the second set, Sandugo with 19 attack points and the Philippine Navy only 6 in that set. Pero parehong block points too. Ang Navy even having 3 service points against the 0 service points of Sandogo.
Wow. The joust goes to Joan Botor Carpio versus Nene Bautista.
Sabi niya, mas matanda ako sa'yo, ha?
Oo nga eh. Ako to.
Well, so far, leading scorers after 2 sets, Zheng Boli and Su with 9 each. Bautista and Taiwan with 8 each. On the other side, it's Rosale with 7, Prochina and Galido having 3, Arasan with 2.
And Sue Rosas continues her killing spree.
This time with that parang hook shot.
And then Bautista now serving for Sandogo. 6 serving 7. Good serve.
I like this combination. You have Su, Zheng Boli, and Binting in front.
Yes.
Huh?
Hindi naman masyadong strong yan.
Parang feeling ko, pwede kang gumawa ng maraming combination play.
Yeah. Di makulangan.
Su just saving that one. Oh, and that goes wide.
That's right. Rare air that for Joan Botor Carpio because there's no blockers.
Sayang yun.
7-all. Bautista with another good serve. De Pusoy. Galido. Puli was there. De Makulangan to Benting.
Oh, and Benting. Down the line hit.
Well, Sandogo still leads 8-7 here in the third set.